This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You join the meeting and immediately confirm host rights. If you lack them, request co-host access. Once you're in, locate the participant's video tile in the grid or film strip, because spotlighting requires selecting that tile. Make sure the person's camera is on and their name is visible so you can find them quickly. Don't waste time adjusting backgrounds now. Start by focusing on permissions and finding the correct tile so you can move to spotlighting without interruption. Hover over the tile and click the three-dot menu. This gives you the spotlight option. Once selected, you'll pin that participant so everyone sees them in the main view. This is why hosts use Spotlight to direct attention. Make sure to communicate that you're spotlighting so presenters are ready. If you need multiple spotlights, repeat for each presenter and coordinate timing. You can also use layout controls to ensure the spotlight stays prominent while letting others stay visible in thumbnails. When the presentation ends, remove the spotlight by reopening the tile menu and choosing Remove Spotlight. This returns the view to default layouts. If someone reports they can't see the spotlight, instruct them to refresh the Meet tab or switch their layout to Tiled or Spotlight. Sometimes local layout settings override the host view. Make sure the presenter's camera and permissions remain active. Finally, remind yourself to use Spotlight sparingly. Overusing it can confuse participants and hide important.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.